Hello YouTube, here's an electromagnet that I have designed. Here's the battery power and such, and here is a handful of little neodymium magnets. I have the package right here. So, as you can observe, it's electromagnetism. Let's see. See? I love that like this thing lays down. But as soon as it gets a current, the electromagnets... Okay, now it's... Give it a minute. There we go. It springs it back to life. Or makes the magnet stay up again, I should say. So here's a compass. And here's... Oh, whoops, I forgot. So the way I designed it, the poles come out of these sides, like, this way. So we need to have this standing up for it to work. I should have filmed or scheduled this better. Hold on. This is here. And God damn it. Hold on. So now that we have the electromagnet on, let's see. Let's turn this around. Just a stupid fun little project. It's not a particularly powerful electromagnet.